So I made these Brussels sprouts the other day, and they were literally like the best Brussels sprouts I've ever made with very little effort. Check out how I did it. That's the first thing I do is I poke a hole in them. I'm gonna throw these in the microwave for about 3 minutes. All right, so I actually microwaved them for about 4 minutes. Pour into your casserole dish a little bit of coconut aminos. It's got a very unique flavor. Then grab yourself some soy sauce. Last step, a bunch of olive oil. Get you a glove, get them all nice and coated. Get your Dano's original, hit it with a pop, 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 pop. This is our crunchy seasoning. And we're gonna coat it heavily. Now we're ready to go into our oven at 425 degrees, but if you can see, there's tons of the crunchy seasoning and the Dano's down in the bottom. And that's what you want. So let's go into our oven at 425. All right, they've been in for 15 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll them around like this. See that? That's crunchy stuff, you guys. Just moisten it back up so it doesn't actually burn. It's already been 15. We're gonna give it 10 more. All right, y'all. It's been 10 more minutes. We're gonna try it while it's still popping. You can still hear it sizzling. Mmm, that's delicious. Might be the best damn Brussels sprout I've ever had.